I don't know.
You don't know. You're like,
I wasn't intending on getting this far. I only intended to drink a little bit of the hard lemonade, not a whole fucking gallon.
Oh, well, that hard lemonade just made life choices for you.
Yeah.
Oh,
no! I saw that.
No! That was awful!
It was kind of funny, though.
Oh my god.
It was
That
a little
was
funny.
awful.
Shit.
Oh. Oh, well, I can't even really be mad about that. That was pretty funny.
Yeah. Where they at? Oh, they're. Oh. Bye.
That was a long beep.
Oh no, no, I'm not going off. Nope, nope, nope.
Like, no.
You did almost walk right off.
I know, I was like, no.
So why is there a big death pit in the middle of this courtyard? What purpose does it
It's
serve?
a well.
It's a wishing well. You make a wish and
It
You're
has
a
no
body.
bucket.
you are the bucket.
There's a hole in the bucket, dear Elijah, dear
Elijah, there's a hole in the bucket.
dear Elijah, there's a We'll fix it, dear Henry, dear. He will fix it, dear Henry, and fix your hole. That's one way.
Yeah, there we go.
I'm back in the fight. Allow me to repair the damage.
Yay.
Get in there, Bob.
Roadhog, you fucking dick.
Hi, soldier. I guess I needed a face full of rockets.
Special attack.
Goodbye.
Yay, we did it.
I got it.
Puppy.
Play of the game.
I hate that skin.
Same.
It doesn't look good.
No, your skin's the wrong color.
Yeah, it'd be more of.
It should be darker for one.
Yeah,
You don't just magically lose melanin when you're dead.
exactly. You turn green. Don't ask me how I know that, but you turn green.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I had to explain that to my boss. Like, how do you know that people turn like pickled green? And I'm just like, because I thought I wanted to be an undertaker. What, you mean like a mortician? Yeah. Why'd you take the classes? Because I'm a morbid fuck.
Alright, Peanut.
And then he asked me, so how do you, like, was it like a lab? And I was just like, yeah, it was a cadaver lab. She was green.
Traveling to the
She'd been in the lab since the 1970s.
Here's the thing though, she's supposed to be a vampire.
Prepare your defenses.
She'd still be green.
She still would magically lose melanin.
No. But she wouldn't be because she's lost a lot of blood too. I don't know if she'd be green or not.
She'd
She's a
be,
vampire.
honestly, I could see her being more kind of purpley.
Ashen, sort of purple.
Yeah.
Guess I know what I'm doing.
I mean, I can
Fuck, is there any way we could pause the match? I gotta piss.
Go pee. Nope. There's no pause in the game.
Yeah, I don't think we
Okay.
can pause Overwatch, but, you know.
What, are
Find you
you
a
suggesting
spot
I
and
go
go
find a
pee.
cup and pee in it while I'm playing?
No.
No, but you know, part of the suggestion is maybe you should go to the bathroom.
Yeah. Find you a nice little hidey hole. Do you get back?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, I think you have how long before you get kicked for inactivity?
Yeah, like a couple minutes, right? Like,
3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Game 시작.
No, it's
Like
not.
you said
Shut-
oh
game
my,
shit.
what's in the refrigerator?
You don't want to know.
Oh goodness.
Reaper, did you steal my
I'm back in the fight.
Fuck, what was I doing?
Were
Peeing?
were you gonna go pee?
Damn.
Wow.
I can't. Okay.
Okay. Yay!
If only piss worked in this way. If only my piss could heal people.
Wow.
I don't want that golden shower, please. Thank you, no.
Wow. Wow.
I will pee all over creation.
Just not on me, please. I don't have golden shower fetishes. Please, no. Kate's losing her shit.
The brother who lives in the little apartment room next door is gonna be like, what? Why were you screaming about wanting to pee all over creation?
Oh, sorry, I was laughing too hard. I just kind of. Oops.
Oh no, you bitch!
I come with the pee.
Oh, shit.
No,
love
no,
you
I don't
guys,
need to do
but
that.
they were dying.
Oh my god.
Objective lost.
No, that much longer. I have to wait until I have to, until I can.
I think you're gonna forget to do it.
All systems checked out. You need to learn.
This is mine now.
Is it?
Wow.
Halo, mine.
I am ready to unleash coalescence.
I'm ready to initiate self-destruct sequence.
Surrender to my will.
Wrong button. Goddamn.
I've done 666 healing.
Hail.
You're the devil.
Halo,
the devil.
Satan.
Hail Satan!
Very good.
Hail Satan! Hail! Hail Satan! Hail Satan!
Oh, go fuck yourself.
But I don't want to fuck
No,
myself.
no, not you, not you, not you.
Oh man.
I probably shouldn't be Moira right now, but here we are.
Man, that road
Thanks a licking. Keeps on ticking.
I'm on my way.
No, stop.
Spotted. Mecha activated. I'm on fire.
Fire in the hole!
I feel you, man.
Suiting up. Game on. I'm on fire.
Damn. Okay.
And you made me drop my ult, you bitch. Not anybody in here.
Heck.
There's a conspiracy. I forgot how to say that word. There's a conspiracy against me.
Is
They
it-
don't want me to pee.
I was like, is it against EP? Because I feel like
That's it. That's it.
No. Oh shit.
The pee conspiracy, it's real.
I'm gonna start like a petition.
Thank you, kind.
Or no, I'm
Petition to
gonna
let
do a GoFundMe just so Indigo can go pee.
Petition to let Indigo pee.
Yeah,
I just want to go
fight
to
for
bed.
Indigo's right to pee.
Oh shit. Actually, no, I don't need to do that. I need to do the other thing.
Thank you.
That was good.
Just how I drew it up.
Wait,
I think
jump
Don't
and
get
draw?
your beard caught in the litter box or your chickens. No chickens in the litter boxes.
Why are there?
You're making the feather out of the litter box. Why are you doing that for?
Why are there chickens in the water?
Ask the Swedish. Or, yeah,
Yes,
Swedish.
that's a little Swede. The chickens in the litter boxes, and the beards are in the chickens. Don't ask me why the beards are in the chickens. They just are.
I'm so
For a second, I thought you said that there's beer in chickens, and I'm just...
Yes, there's beer in the chickens too if you want that. But you don't want to know how to get that beer.
I'm so confused.
Man, I thought
I
was
just want
gone.
I just want Indigo to be able to go pee.
I just want to...
That's my goal of the night, right there. Oh, I was like, why is he sending nacho cheese my way? I don't
Because
know.
you need an nacho cheese.
I don't even have any
Everybody
chips.
likes. You know you like the cheese, don't lie.
I do, but I don't have any chips.
That's fair. Where'd May go? There she is.
Where did the bastard go? Did she go in there?
She did.
She's a dead now. That's why you don't mess with the chickens.
Yeah, she messed with the wrong chicken.
Oh, the chickens will kill you.
No.
Oh, that was the wrong button.
No.
I hit the wrong button.
All systems checked out.
Like the dumbass instead of doing the other stuff.
I want you over there.
It might be best if you don't. May is right there.
I hate you, May.
That was Roadhog that killed you.
Well, May froze me and then Roadhog blew me away.
That's been like almost every
Really
kill.
likes you.
That's been almost every kill that Reaper's gotten on me is May has froze me and then Reaper's killed me.
Our inevitable victory beckons.
Bye, Sombra.
Watch your backs for Sombra, because the bitch is still around. Sneaky little bitch. Roadhog is up at the stairs.
Yes, I can go pee.
Hallelujah.
You can go the peas.
Play of the game.
The bear fucking gets the goddamn play of the game with the fucking hand soap.
Good job, Bear.
Speaking of which, I actually need to get more hand soap. We're just about out in the house. Then again, I'm not surprised. There are
I'm
3
going
people
to
who
get
live
low.
here.
That's too much hand soap.
Oh, I'm so close to another loot box. Oh, wait. Oh, god damn.
I'll be
You
right
get to
back.
say it, no. Go pee!
Indigo, go to the bathroom.